Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll start from logical operator again. The logical operator or the sign is given here. The parallel lines and not are used to connect search condition in where the clause, for example. So, first one is to list the employees detail having grades E2 and or E3 for table from table employee, not in the EMPL table. Logical operator or will be used as select E code. E code means the field name, E name, grade, cross from employee. Where here we are giving the condition where grade E2 or grade E3. So, or if in the place of or if you want to write the parallel line, two parallel line, then you may also write the two parallel line. Then like this it is given here, then the data will be displayed. The second thing is to list all the employees detail having grade as E4 but the gross less than 9,000. Logical operator and will be used here, means two condition is given here. So if we are selecting here, select E code, E name, grade, cross off from particular employee table name, where condition is given here grade E4 and gross grade E4, means the particular employee will have the grade E4 and gross payment less than 9,000. So here sign is also given here. So in place of and you have to put the sign. This is sign is given symbol. Then to list all the employees detail whose grade are other than G1, logical operator not will be used and select E code, E name, grade, cross with from employee where not grade equal to G1, means here sign is given here. Then when all the logical operators are used together, the order of precedence not and or however parenthesis can be used override the default precedence. So here how to use, first you have to write the or, and or is given here first, and then and is also given here. So you have to choose all the precedents. It is given here in the example. Write a query to display all the details from the pet table for species cat or dog and having gender, means both the condition if matches, then the table will display the result here. Then come to the conditional based on range. The between operator defined a range of values that the column values must fall into make the condition true. The range include both lower value and the upper value. For example, to list the items whose QoH falls difference 3 to 50 both inclusive, the command would be like this. It is given here. The price item of QoH falls between 30 to 15. Between 30 to 50 it will display. So select I code first, then the DESCP and field name OQH from items. Items matlab means it is given here table name, where condition we are giving where QoH between 30 to 50, it means we are giving here condition. Then those value is between 30 to 15, means only the items having QoH between 30 to 50 have been listed here. It is given here in the list. Like this it will display the result. The operator not between is reversed if between operator that rows not satisfying between condition. If you don't want to show the range not between, not between means you are giving the range and you don't want to show under that range not between, so you have to write not between here, means between you are knowing between means two between two number is given there, and in between that two numbers all the detail will be displayed here, and not between means all the range will be will not display here. Yes. Then condition based on a list. To specify a list of values, in operator is used. The in operator selects values that match any value in a given list of values. For example, to display a list of members from Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai or Bangalore cities, you may give The city's name here, condition we are giving, select asterisk from members. Member, it is here for table name, where city in Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai, Bangalore. So not in operator, find row that do not match on the list. If you are writing from this, means those who are living in these cities, the cities member will be displayed Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. And if you don't want to see these cities in the list, so you have to write not in Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. So only the other will be displayed here. So here one question is there. Write a query to display all details of pets of species between bird, snake, and or hamster from table pet. So it is given, select asterisk from pet table where species in, means those who are in bird, snake, and hamster. So it is given here from the pet table all the content. Then condition based on pattern matches. SQL also includes a string matches operator like for comparison or on character string using patterns. Patterns are described using two special wildcard characters. Two wildcard characters is given here, percent and underscore. Percent matches any substring and underscore matches any character. So pattern are case sensitive, that is uppercase character do not match with lowercase, or lowercase do not match with uppercase, means it is a case sensitive. So if illustrate pattern matching, consider the following example. So suppose if you want to search those beginning letter is SAN, then all the content of that particular table will be displayed here. Though that word is started with SAN. Like this we are using here and searching the character. Then dash 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 means that underscore is given here, means underscore is given here means that particular character is having 4 character, 3 characters, like this it is given here. Then the 4 character and 3 character word which are there in the table, it will display in the display as a output. Like this we are using this both the sign, percent sign and underscore sign. Then example is given here, to list member which are in areas with pin code starting with 13. So here we are using here percent sign. Percent sign, what we are writing here, select first name, last name and city from member, means member table name, where pin like this we have to write, where pin like 13%. 13% means starting code is 13, so after 13 any digit should be there, but starting code should be 13, like this. Then to display the name of pets who have name ending with Y. Ending with Y means all the pets name whose name ending with Y, that it will search from the table and displayed here. Then to list members which are not areas in your pin code starting with 13, or command means here like means the condition is true and not like means the condition is false. So like this we have to do. The keyword not like is used to select row do not match the specified pattern of characters. In order for pattern to include the special pattern character, that is percent and underscore, SQL allows the specific of an escape character. The escape character is used immediately before a special pattern character to indicate the special pattern character to treat it as normal character. I mean, it is all in only treated as normal character. Like will do the comparison using the escape key. Then it is given here the to illustrate, consider the following pattern uses black backslash as a escape character, means it shows that all the means you're writing by escape, it shows all the strings beginning with the word is given here, like this we have to use. Then the escape clause define character, escape character, the two above example backslash escape character is given here. So here if you are giving any character, that character name will be displayed like this, it is given here in the table, this table. Then Write query to display the names of pets having exactly 4 letters. 4 letters means underscore 4 times you have to give, then all the 4 letters will be displayed here as output. Then student, next class will discuss about the searching of null. Thank you.